And I found I Spy a Stang. It is a 2007, and it's got the hood built in, or the scoop built in. I noticed that is GT. It's the silver. Platinum, yeah, platinum. Got the chrome bullet rims. Blacked out tail. Five speed leather. Yeah, interesting. Standard lights. 18 inch. They're 235 55s. Definitely and they're using the General G-Max for the rims. Awesome. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And we'll catch you on the next I Spy a Stang.